if you are a university student, stay tuned to the video to find out why I think all these products are essential for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing products which I think are very essential for university students who are living alone for the first time. And if you're going to be living in student halls, these are the products I think that you're going to really need to ensure that you have a clean space, and most importantly, at the end of the year, you should be able to get your university accommodation bond back. You know, the deposit that you pay, and you do get it back if they think that the house or the accommodation has been cleaned sufficiently and it's been kept to the correct standard. They do give you back your money. So these products are what I think are very essential, because if you are living in a student hall or student house and you get to share, you probably like if you're living in a dorm, you probably are sharing a kitchen and a living room, and some dorms you have your own in-suite, so you only have to clean your own bathroom, which I think most people have, and then you have to clean your own room. But if you are sharing, a kitchen, a bathroom with everybody, I still think these products are very essential for you, because it will make sure that you at least have a clean space and you get your money back. Some of these products, there's other versions that you can get, but these are what I think are, I'll show you different things that I think are essential. So number one are the scrubbing pads. These are very, very important to ensure that when you're tidying up or you're cleaning. I've got quite a few for different parts of the house, so I normally use this one for the kitchen, and this would normally be for the bathroom, if I'm not using the the sugar mummy, if I'm not using the scrub mummy. The scrub mummies or the scrub daddies. So this is normally for the bathroom and this is for the kitchen, so it's very important that you have separate ones. Okay, so if you are having your own bathroom, like student hall, you have your own bathroom, but what normally happens is that you don't have a window for the bathroom, so you do tend to get a little bit of mold and mildew building up in the bathroom. So this is very essential. If you see any mold building up or any mildew, this is perfect. You just spray it, and it's very simple to use. The instructions and directions to use are normally on the back of product. So this is Zaflora. This is a disinfectant. When it comes to disinfectants, this is very easy to use. All you're gonna just follow the instructions, and you just get yourself a little spray bottle, and then you just dilute it onto the spray bottle. So any shop, you can even go to Asda or whatever shop you're kind of close by. Make sure you get some disinfectant for yourself. Dilute it yourself. You can dilute it yourself and into your spray bottle, and then you just dilute it. You can use it for different areas, so spray around your doors, your surfaces, etc. Again, so this is again a multi-purpose disinfectant cleaner by Zaflora. So it's totally different from this one, because this one again you have to dilute it yourself, but this one is already diluted. You don't spray directly, you just spray it onto the cloth like so, and then you wipe your surface. If you really can't be bothered to be doing the dilution or diluting, just buy yourself a full bottle like this, and it's fantastic. There's different fragrances that you can buy, and again, because we are living in a pandemic, it says it kills 99% bacteria, including the COVID virus. So yeah, and the next one for me is the pink stuff. I think this is very important as well. Not just for the kitchen. I'm sure if you've been on my channel, I tend to use this one for the kitchen, but you can use it for the bathroom, use it on the floor, you can use it anywhere where there's lime scale building up, or hard water. If you just want it to shine and sparkle, this is my favorite to go to product. You can either get this in the paste, or you can get it in the cream version, use it with your scrubbing pad, and then you just work your way around the areas that you need to clean. But I normally highly recommend this for like hard water areas and stuff, especially in the bathroom. This one, some Harpic Plus tablets, so this is for the toilets. Again, sometimes if it's a hard water area, you'll find that your toilet has got some limescale buildup. You just pop this You pop this, open it, and then you just pop it into the toilet. It fizzes up and it will get rid of all the lime scale. You don't really have to do any scrubbing. It does all the hard work for you. You just have to read the instructions. You just read the instructions, and yeah, just leave it for a couple of minutes. Gets rid of the hard water and the lime scale that's built up in the toilet. So definitely get yourself one of these. And this is again is another disinfectant. So this is a Dettol one. You just spray. The great thing about this one, you just spray. So you don't need to dilute anything. Spray on all your surfaces, upholstery, on your bed, on your mattress, when you've done your bed, on your door handles, on your bins. Again, it does show you all the areas that you can use. Or when you come in from uni, I mean, like right now we are living in a pandemic, so you might want to spray your coat, spray your bag, but just spray this when you just come in from uni or wherever you've been. So I highly recommend this. You read the instructions, but I would definitely think this would be great for university students. And the next one is elbow grease. This is also one of my favorite products. Elbow grease is actually fantastic for any area in the house. So especially if you are sharing a kitchen with other people, the kitchen will get quite messy and things will get greasy. So I highly recommend you get yourself the elbow grease. Find that there's quite a lot of grease built up or whatever's building up, honey. You will definitely need this. Yeah, so get yourself some elbow grease. Absolutely amazing. You know, you don't have to do a lot of hard work, not a lot of scrubbing. Fantastic. Okay, I've got some wipes, some floor wipes. So if you are again, if you've got your own ensuite and you don't really have enough space for a mop, so you normally have quite a small floor area, and if you don't really have a mop, I'll suggest get some floor wipes. There's antibacterial as well, just to ensure your floor is clean. Yeah, they're very simple to use. If you don't have enough space for a mop, just get some floor wipes. I think this would be good. And microfiber cloths. You maybe get like 3 or 4, again for different areas around the house, different areas around your room. Okay, and then this is the flush bathroom. So this again is fantastic if you can't seem to find any elbow grease or anything like that. It removes all the soap, all the bathroom grime. So if you've got any stains that will be on the bathroom, if you just want to make your bathroom look clean and tidy, just spray this and then get your scrubbing pad and just work your way around it. This works fantastic. Best combination again for the bathroom shower door. Remove any soap and any lime scale that's building up. So maybe use this frequently, maybe once or twice a week, to make sure that you're not having any buildup. But if you do find yourself with quite a lot of buildup, definitely get the pink stuff. And last but not least, this is bleach. Is very, very important. Like, you will definitely need to clean your toilet. So I would probably recommend using bleach, because sometimes some toilet cleaning products, they do stain your toilet. Any basic bleach will be, will do the job very well. Some toilet cleaning gels, they do stain the toilet, so just to be on the safe side, I would use bleach. So yeah, these are all the products that I highly recommend for university students to have with them when they are going back to uni, and you are wanting to ensure that your space is clean, because you are sharing a space with other people, and we are living in a pandemic. So yeah, so to ensure that you definitely get your end of the school year, make sure that you have your cleaning products, and get yourself like a little case like this, and then you can store your cleaning products. You can store it underneath your bed, and you can just quickly close the lid like so. There you have it. You have all your cleaning products in one area, which will ensure that your room is clean, your space is clean, your house is clean, your ensuite is clean, and you get your bond back. So Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, please like the video, share the video, share it with your friends, share it with your mom, share it with other moms that have got their university students going back to uni. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.